Damien. I'm going to show you how to make a template with the new CSS Grid rule, how to build a layout with it, and I'll show you this template. This HTML page, which all is, I've got header, nav, hero, article, a little gallery section, some 4 placeholders and a footer. Okay, let's preview this in the browser. Okay, this is it in the browser, a basic wireframe on desktop view. So, how is that done? Let's have a look at the CSS rules. Okay, we're in the CSS sheet now. So, at support display grid. And here we have the elements with their header names. So, we've got header, nav, hero, main, gallery, article, sign up, footer. So at supports is given different media queries dependent on the width of the screen resolution. So let's go down a little bit here. So define grid at media minimum width 721. Okay, so here we have media minimum width 721, max width 1000 pixels. That's tablet viewport. Grid template areas, header, 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 header. What does that mean? Okay, if I show you up here, it says grid template columns, repeat 4, 1 FR. That's a fractional unit. So it's been divided into 4, and each one is 1. So it's like a long block element. So here, on tablet view, you'd have 4 blocks, 4 fractional units, header, header, header. So the header goes all the way along the width. So does the nav underneath it. So does the hero section, main, and gallery. They're all stacked, except article, article, sign up, sign up. They are now divided across the page. So out of those four blocks, article has 2 of them, sign up has 2 of them. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm previewing in the browser, and I've got the screen resolution on a tablet size on an emulator with Google Chrome. Now you see the header is all the way across. It covers the 4 fractional units. So is the nav, so is the hero, so is the main. Okay, I'm back on the CSS style sheet. Now I've come down a bit, that was define item position on tablet. Here, that's what I showed you. Now I'm going to define item position on desktop. As you can see, the media minimum width 1001 pixels. So it's a bigger width distance. What would be the difference? Well, header, header, nav, nav are on the same line. Header, header has 2, nav, nav has 2. So out of those 4, repeat 4, each one is 1 fraction. Header is now 2, nav has 2. So they would be, on desktop view, they would be on the same line. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm now previewing the browser on desktop view, longer width, and the header and the nav are on the same. You can see that, the same row. Header takes up 2/4 of it, nav takes up 2/4. You see that? Okay. Well, what other differences are there? Let's go back and look at the style sheet. Right, I'm back on the CSS rules. Okay, so here you can see on the desktop version, we've got another difference. Sign up, main, article. On a tab view, the main has the whole section. It's all kind of stacked. And on this one, article, sign up. So those are the differences between the 2 views. Let's take a look. So if you now look here, sign up, main, and article. We're on a tab view. Let's have a look. You can see the layout is again different. Main has its own row because it's all 4 fractions, articles there, and sign ups there, 2 fractions. Okay, right, one thing left to show you, and that's mobile view, and it's here. Media max width 720, so anything underneath, and nav bar display none. It wouldn't suit mobile. Let's have a look. Okay, here we are on a mobile view, and the nav has gone to that button. Let's click the button, and it has a kind of a pop-up left side open close nav bar, which suits a mobile better. Okay, thank you.